Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson Body Parts.
身体部位
So in our last lesson we did a video about the hospital and some vocabulary in the hospital.
关于医疗用语
So this lesson on body parts should help you explain to the doctor what's wrong with you by naming the part.
好的
So let's get straight onto it. This video again is going to be a bit more about pictures and vocabulary than it is about seeing our faces.
And then we will give you examples.
Of course, let's get going. Head.
头
Eye.
眼睛
Nose.
鼻子
Mouth.
嘴巴
Ears.
耳朵
Arms.
手臂
Feet.
脚
Ankle.
脚踝
Leg.
腿
Thigh.
大腿
Calf.
小腿
Lungs.
肺
Stomach.
胃
I have a headache.
我有头痛
My eyes hurt.
我的眼睛痛
You have a beautiful nose.
你有一个漂亮的鼻子
You have very small ears.
你的耳朵很小
It's hard to breathe.
我很难呼吸
My left lung hurts.
我左边的肺很痛
I've hurt my ankle.
我扭伤脚踝了
Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like what you see, please like.
喜欢
If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe.
订阅 and we both love to teach, so liking and subscribing can help us make more video to help you learn Mandarin.
It really can. If you want us to teach you anything specific, please leave a comment below or just drop us a mail. Alright, thanks very much guys.
Bye bye!
再见